And I think we need to also understand that a child who snores or breathes through their mouth is never normal any more than it is for an adult to do that. And there's nothing more cruel than to allow a child to be raised up watching this and knowing that there is a way to make a difference. And what's so beautiful about Orthotain is that this process is so simple and makes an incredible lifelong impact on this child from the age of 2 and forward.